Hello and welcome to another BODYFX tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to create a basic sugar skull makeup using our sugar skull pack. We're first going to start off with some white face paint. You activate the white face paint using a sponge and some water and apply it directly onto the face, no moisturizer needed. You want to pretty much cover the entire face with the white face paint, leaving out the eyes and the nose, as these areas will be darkened using black face paint. Using a round brush and black face paint, outline the shapes that you will be creating around the eyes for the eye sockets. Once you're happy with the shapes and making sure that they're nice and symmetrical, you can fill in the shapes just using your round brush and the black face paint. We're then going to do the same thing with the nose. First outline the shape and fill it in. You can do many different shapes for a skull or sugar skull nose, but in this case we're just creating a sort of wide petal shape sitting directly on top of the nose. Next up, we're going to be using our red face paint and our dauber and our sugar skull stencil. You want to make sure that your dauber is not too wet, as the paint can seep underneath the stencil and you can lose some of your details. Carefully place the stencil against the skin where you want your design and press the red face paint through the stencil. Here we're creating these cool little half round shapes around the eye sockets for that classic sugar skull look. Then you can find some other designs within the stencil that you want to incorporate into your makeup. Next step is adding some shading. So we're going to use our trick palette and choose either a brown or a black eyeshadow to create some shading around the face. We want to add some contouring for that really skeletal look. So you want to first begin with a shadow just around the hairline, also within the temples, and then contouring underneath the cheekbones like so. We're now going to outline the lips using our red lip liner and create a nice symmetrical lip line. Once you're happy with the shape of the lips, you can then go ahead and fill the rest in using your red liquid lippy. Once the lips have dried, it's time to go back and get your round brush and some black face paint and create these two little hook shapes next to the mouth. Now we're going to create some little point shapes, and these will be our sugar skull teeth. It's always wise to start in the center of the lips so that you make sure that your teeth are symmetrical. And now it's time to glue up our false eyelashes and apply them, and you can add any other details to the face that you like. We hope that you enjoyed this basic tutorial on how to create a sugar skull makeup using our sugar skull pack. If you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel and check out our other tutorials. All of the products used can be purchased from bodyfx.co.nz.